Radio Hazard on a frequency of 89.5 megahertz in San Francisco. The forecasts are calling for severe snow squalls later today and temperatures of 34 is their highest and the lowest is 10 degrees. Here are 9 a.m. observed. The National Weather Service has issued a frost advisory. Temperatures are going to plummet to temperatures that are lower than usual. These low temperatures will kill and end all small plants such as grass and flowers. Frost quakes are possible. At this time, avoid being outside for long periods of time. If you are trapped inside your car, dial 911. Be careful while driving as roads can freeze over. Stay safe during these hazardous conditions.
I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I...
As you know, I keep a list of all my friends in order of how likely they are to betray me. We've established this.
Where am I on the list?
Well, I can't tell you that because then you'll quickly move up or down depending on your reaction. As you know, I keep a list of all my friends in order of how likely they are to betray me.
How are you doing today, Jasmine?
If you have information concerning the child's whereabouts, please contact the FBI 1-800 call.
But you did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though? How are you?
Now please do keep this thought in mind. That's just my personal conviction. You're smart and fun, you're sweet and kind. I'd call our friendship benediction. Your shoes are shine, your breath
The
don't
following
change.
message is
Still I
transmitted
find
at
I
the
have to
request of the
say
Dallas
I
County
think
Health and
I
Human
might
Services
better
Department and the Centers for Disease Control.
Don't you want
At
to
about
become a
4
cult
p.m.
leader?
Central Daylight Time, many hospitals in the Dallas-Fort Worth area are experiencing a high number of
Simply
patients
death of God,
coming
there's been a
infected
vacancy
with an
open.
unknown highly contagious
You can fill
virus.
that void.
Symptoms of this virus include, but are not limited to the following: nausea,
Your little
fever,
stunt
coughing,
made us look
headaches,
like a fucking
fatigue,
joke.
chills, and
No,
muscle
no,
aches.
no, babe.
In addition,
Jokes
this
are
virus
funny.
is airborne.
I made you
As a
look,
precaution, all residents in the
sad
Dallas-Fort
and
Worth area are
pathetic,
strongly advised
like
to
an
do these
orphan
instructions.
with no
Practice
arms
proper hygiene,
or legs.
like washing your hands
Your
and
little
covering your
stunt
cough. Do not approach the infected, as you may also get sick. Try to take infected patients to their local doctor's office due to many hospitals having very high wait times. If you believe you are infected, call 911 and try to take yourself to the hospital. Do not call 911 unless you have an actual emergency. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this developing situation.
What? Are you serious? You? Who's never had a girlfriend since the beginning of never? Wow, you really have changed. Let's hurry.
We have breaking news out of Dallas and Fort Worth.
You seem impressed with what you're
Apparently
showing,
there is
but
an
I don't
unknown
find it that
virus spreading
compelling.
around the
You
region.
sung my praise, but not your
The
own, and
symptoms of
well,
the
I think
virus
that's
are
pretty
nausea,
telling.
fever,
But while we're on the
coughing,
subject of
headaches,
how I'm superb
fatigue,
and leagues above
chills,
you, ought
and
you
muscle
know
aches.
I'm number one.
Also, the
I know
virus
that
is
might be
airborne.
hard to swallow.
Live from the Baylor University Medical Center is my news correspondent, Mary. Mary,
But when
are
this
you
song
there?
is sung, then you and
Yes,
I'll know
I am here at
that
the
you're
Baylor
just a
University
nobody.
Medical Center, and there are like hundreds of people
Well, friend, I
arriving
don't
here
know
at the
what to
hospital
say.
getting
Starting
treatment
with
due
your
to this
resignation,
unknown virus.
Let's end this in the
They are
finale.
not allowed
Dying from
anybody else to do
anticipation.
to a full
You really
capacity
know
at this
Say you
hospital.
dedicated me. The fact that brings you out to keep
Symptoms
before I
of
can
this
see
virus
that.
are very mild, including nausea, fever, coughing, headache, fatigue, chills, and muscle aches. This virus is also airborne. A contagious disease warning has been issued for the Dallas-Fort Worth area due to the spread of this virus.
You seem impressed.
I wouldn't be surprised if this virus starts to spread to surrounding suburbs within the next hour. A quarantine may need to be issued soon to prevent the spread from this virus. I now have to go because I don't want to get sick.